Very good, my friends. In today's video we are going to change the wiper blades to the Golf 7, and I'm going to explain you why I need to change the wiper blades. Okay, let's check how bad my wiper blades are working. Can you see the trace that is living there? In bad weather conditions this is very dangerous because I cannot see properly the road or any obstacle in the road, so we need to replace the wiper blades. Look at the trace there that is leaving the wiper. This is telling me that the wiper is not working properly, and we are going to replace it, and it's super simple. Changing the wipers is super simple and it's something that you can do by yourself. You just need to buy the appropriate wipers for your car. I did it on Amazon and I get the wipers in a few days, and I changed them super easily, saving a lot of money. If I do this in the garage, it probably cost me like 30 or 40 euros, but doing by myself only the price of the wipers, that in this case was something like 17 euros. The first thing we are going to do is to replace the damaged wiper blade. To do that we need to press in this button here. When we press that button we reach this position and we just need to do like this and it's removed. We leave it here very careful. First we press this button here and now we do a movement like this. We leave it here. Look how damaged they were. It is very important to make sure that the model that you are buying is compatible with your car. Okay, here is the list of cars that is compatible this model here. Okay, and we find here the Golf 7. Okay, let's see what we got here. Two pair of new blades, and it's going to be super easy to install. Okay, we inserted here like this. Okay, there is a guide under. And it's done. And now the other one. Okay, let's install the small one. This should be easier. Okay, like this. And let's test it now. Let's compare how well it works now. Okay. Now, perfect. No water remaining on the crystal. Let's see from outside. Look at that. Excellent. I hope this video has been useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.